What's up guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to complete a first foothold quest in Ark Raiders. For this mission, you need to visit 4 locations on the Blue Gate map. The first location is on the top of the church, just north of the data vault. Climb up onto the church roof and interact with the satellite dish to complete the first objective. The second location is near Trapper's Glade. Go to the radar structure in that area and nail down the roof plates to finish the second step. The third location is for the comms terminal and it's near the olive grove area. Head to the small structure with the antenna and interact with the comms terminal to complete this part of the quest. The final location is near Ridgeline. Once you arrive, interact with the yellow marker to stabilize the observation deck. After that, the quest is fully completed. That's a quick and straightforward guide for the first foothold quest. If this helped, don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.